back to Carverse. Today, we dive into the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, a perfect fusion of Japanese reliability, modern comfort, and versatile travel capabilities. Toyota has built its reputation on vehicles that last a lifetime. And with this latest motorhome, they've added luxury and cutting-edge tech to their legendary dependability. On the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining a bold road presence. The front fascia carries Toyota's new design language, with a large grille accented by chrome details, flanked by adaptive LED headlights for optimal visibility. The streamlined body incorporates lightweight, aluminum panels for durability and fuel efficiency, while the integrated side awnings and rooftop solar panels make off-grid camping effortless. The motorhome rides on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, and the smart entry system ensures convenience whether you're in the city or the countryside. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, thoughtfully designed interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a camper. The living area features premium fabric or optional leather seating, with modular furniture that can be rearranged for lounging, dining, or sleeping. Ambient LED lighting, large panoramic windows, and high-quality materials create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped for extended journeys, featuring an energy-efficient fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, and generous countertop space. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated into every corner, ensuring you can bring along all your essentials without clutter. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower, smart flush toilet, and modern vanity, all designed to provide home-like comfort on the road. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, with a large central touchscreen that controls navigation, entertainment, and climate systems. Smartphone integration, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB ports keep you connected anywhere. Advanced insulation and soundproofing ensure a quiet, relaxing environment even while driving. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrain options: a fuel-efficient turbocharged V6 and a hybrid variant, both paired with an advanced automatic transmission. The hybrid model is particularly impressive for long-distance travelers, offering reduced fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. The all-wheel drive system, paired with adaptive suspension, delivers stability on highways and confidence on rougher terrain. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota Motorhome starts at approximately $80,000, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a balance of comfort, reliability, and affordability. This motorhome is built for travelers who want the freedom to explore with the peace of mind that only Toyota engineering can deliver.